Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need clear prerequisites: a monetizable niche, content pipeline, and analytics. First, identify topic clusters that attract advertisers and aim for niches with $5 plus CPM. Next, build a minimum content set, 5-10 pieces, and add ad slots on each page. Once done, connect ad tags and analytics so you can measure RPM and viewability. Finally, start small paid traffic to seed impressions. Make sure to track conversion and audience retention from the first day to inform optimization. Now you scale execution. Run controlled tests on ad formats and placements to maximize eCPM. You should try header bidding and a demand path audit. These increase competition and CPM. Once you have baseline metrics, optimize layout for viewability and user experience. Lazy load below the fold, prioritize above the fold ads. Simultaneously, invest in high-intent traffic channels like long-term SEO, retargeting, and publisher partnerships. Make sure to monitor audience demographics, so finish by locking higher margin revenue. Pursue direct sold campaigns and private marketplaces for guaranteed CPMs. You'll also automate yield management, floor prices, day parting, and audience segments to keep eCPM stable. Once implemented, audit page speed and ad density regularly, because slow pages or heavy ads kill CPM. If CPM drops, first check traffic quality and viewability metrics, then verify no policy or privacy issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if impressions are real but CPM falls, swap demand partners and reevaluate your bidder setup immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.